Hello and welcome back to the Modern Stacker. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at the just current situation that's going on with the silver spot price. So if you haven't noticed what's going on today, it's as of the filming, it's August 23rd. And we had a nice big spike here in the silver spot price. So let's kind of zoom in here. We'll just take a look at it. And here's basically how I've been looking at it from a chartist perspective. We crossed the 200-day moving average, and whenever that happens, okay, silver always has a tendency to go up, especially if it's been under it for an extended period of time. So it's been under the 200-day moving average for a couple days now. So if you had a chance to back up the truck and get a little bit of silver at the $22 spot price like I did, good for you. Fantastic. And that's awesome. And what we want to do is we want to be kind of looking at, see where this is going next. So in one of my, I think I posted this video. I hope I posted this video because I'm going to be talking about it as if I did. But I was talking about this pattern that I was noticing when I panned back out to the 1 year. First off, I had posted some videos not so long ago where I was talking about the descending broadening wedge, and I said when it'll bounce around in this wedge, and once it breaks out of it, it's going to skyrocket out of it. Well, I noticed this other pattern that if you really pan back out, there's another broadening wedge, and this is an even bigger wedge. And so we've been doing just that. We've been kind of floating around here, and the 200-day moving average is heading up. So we are right on the precipice of potentially hitting that resistance point and breaking through. When we hit the resistance back here, you can see the moving average is kind of like in the middle zone. It just wasn't strong enough to punch through. But we're getting upward into that zone where it could potentially go. I think there's a possibility this is going to come back down one more time. I think we have seen rumors of potentially silver getting down to $19 an ounce, and I don't know if that's going to be the case. Okay, I don't know. This is all probabilities and speculation, but we're using charts to kind of help provide some guides here, right? And I think the thing that kind of take away here is that if this hits this resistance line and punches through it, okay, we could be going on to the next level, 25, 26, maybe even 27, possibly upwards of 28, depending on what our range is going in. So like we go back into the histories, right? Let's see, this was like September of 2020. Like we were up at like $29, $30 an ounce of silver. Okay, so it's very possible. And if you go back even further, back to, close that little ad there. I really don't need to see the ad. Go back to 2011. We did hit at one point a $50 an ounce. So it is possible that if the financial system gets a little shaky, and I've got a video that I'm considering posting that talks about the global margin call. So if you see that one drop, be sure to give that a look as well. And like this video, by the way, if you're finding this content helpful, just go ahead and hit the like button. And consider subscribing to this channel, because I do try to talk about this stuff because I like helping you get the best price, spot price, wherever I can. And so anyway, back to our story. If it hits that and the financial situation gets a little bit interesting or dicey, we could be going up higher. So, but that does not mean that you might not still be able to get a good opportunity even today. So, my philosophy is dollar cost averaging, and I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube who likes to talk about shiny things. So here is something I've just found on SD Bullion. I'm not affiliated with this group. I like a lot of the deals that they usually offer. This is my top coin right now. I am, the prices on the American Silver Eagles have finally come back down to earth. And if you are looking to pick some up, I mean, here's just here's a 1 ounce round by comparison. So depending on what you're, purchasing in quantity, if you're getting like 1 to 20 there, that's $28.48, or for just $2 more, you can get a Silver Eagle. So I'm just saying, this is one of my favorite rounds here. And so if you're looking to get a round, I love these Scottsdale Mint Cowboy rounds, but this American Silver Eagle is my all-time personal favorite coin. So from a silver standpoint, so if you're looking for good deals, even though the spot price is going up, and this is reflecting that spot change, there's still some good deals to be out there. So The premiums have come down quite a bit. Don't let the spot price completely scare you away from taking advantage of the lower premiums. So there's some opportunity here. So anyway, that's just what I think. Hopefully this has been helpful. Leave like I said, like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to be picking some of this stuff up. Are you going to be going for the American Silver Eagle coins? Are you going to be going for the Cowboys? Are you going for something else? Are you going for bars? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, I really appreciate you watching. I thank you for your time. And I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep on stacking.